Ardour 8 on Linux MODICIA OS in just 8 steps. Open a terminal and hop into superuser mode. Install dependencies. Now let's download, compile and install Ardour from the terminal. Compiling the sources takes a long time. Even with high-performance hardware, be patient, don't run programs and don't interrupt the compilation. Now let's create a link that will automatically be inserted in the MODICIA menu. As you may have noticed, Linux MODICIA OS you can have the latest version of the software and be compiled specifically for your hardware. Nothing new in rolling releases. Only here you can choose whether to make your system unstable or with a click of the mouse install the stable version of the software center and work safely. To you the choice.